Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Family First 1001. Just a quick short today. Just going to show you how to clean my vacuum cleaner that I was showing you yesterday, and it's pretty dirty. So what we do here, you undo it there like that. All that dirty, look at all that gunk in there. So that's it there. Just undo this little filter, like so. It's pretty dirty, so I'll just throw it on the ground in the sink. Clean this out there like that. This is the filter. Put this back in there like that. And we're ready to use for the next time. Have a good day.